everyone. Welcome to MSS, the English channel.
And my name is David. I am also very happy to be here with you.
If you are new here, please click the subscribe button. And please like this video. It helps us a lot. Do not forget to click the bell so you do not miss our new lessons.
Yes, please subscribe and click the bell. I feel very happy when I see new learners with us. It gives me energy.
Do you feel confused when you talk about the future in English? Maybe you want to say your plans, but you do not know if you should say will or going to. Maybe your mind becomes blank.
That is me. Sometimes my English goes on holiday when I talk about my future plans. I only say tomorrow. I do something.
If this happens to you, do not worry. Today's lesson is for you. We are going to make it very simple.
Good. I really need this one. I want my English to stay with me, not go on holiday.
Today, we are talking about how to talk about the future in English. We will imagine one full day in the future and some bigger future dreams. This will help you use simple future English in real life.
I love this topic. I always make mistakes with future tense, so I need this lesson.
In this video, we will use very simple English. We will use easy future forms like going to, will, and time words like tomorrow, next week, soon.
And you, viewers, can speak with us. You can repeat with us. You can try the sentences with us.
Yes. So, stay with us until the end. And remember, please like this video and subscribe to The English channel.
Okay, Emma, I am ready. Let's talk about the future.
Great. Let's start. Let's imagine something. Imagine it is Friday evening now. We are going to plan our Saturday.
Nice. I like Saturday. No office, no school. It feels free.
Right. So, tomorrow is Saturday. What are you going to do in the morning, David?
Tomorrow morning, I am going to wake up at 8 o'clock. Then I am going to drink tea and eat breakfast.
Good. Simple plan. Viewers, you can also say your plan. Say in your mind, tomorrow morning, I am going to, and add your action.
Emma, what are you going to do tomorrow morning?
Tomorrow morning, I am going to go for a walk in the park. Then I am going to call my mother.
You are going to call your mother. That sounds nice. She is going to feel happy.
Yes. So, we are using going to for plans. We already know our plans. They are not a quick idea.
Okay, so going to is for a plan.
Exactly. Now, after breakfast tomorrow, let's imagine we meet.
Good idea. So tomorrow, we are going to meet at 10 o'clock.
Where are we going to meet?
We're going to meet in front of the metro station.
Perfect. Then what are we going to do?
After we meet, we are going to go to the market. I am going to buy some fruit.
Nice. I am going to buy some vegetables. Maybe tomatoes and potatoes.
I am going to buy mangoes. I love mangoes. They are my favorite fruit.
Me too. Viewers, what about you? What are you going to buy at the market tomorrow? You can think of one thing.
So, after the market, what are we going to do?
After the market, we are going to go to a small restaurant. We are going to eat lunch there.
Yes, I am going to order rice and chicken. I am going to eat a big plate.
I am going to order dal and roti. I am going to drink a lemon soda.
I will drink water. Oh, is I will drink water also okay?
Yes, it is okay. Here, you decide in this moment. So, I will drink water is fine. We often use will for quick decisions now.
I understand. When I decide now, I can say I will.
Right. For example, I am thirsty. I will get some water.
I am a little tired. I will sit down.
Good examples.
Emma, can I say, I am going to drink water now?
Yes, you can. Then it is more like a plan. But both are possible here. For beginners, it is okay.
That helps me.
Now, let's continue our future day. After lunch, what are we going to do?
After lunch, we are going to go to the cinema. We are going to watch a movie.
Yes, good plan. What kind of movie are you going to watch?
I am going to watch an action movie. I like action movies.
I am going to watch a comedy. I like to laugh.
Maybe we are going to watch a funny action movie.
Maybe. Viewers, you can say, I am going to watch, and say your favorite type of movie.
So after the movie, are we going to go home?
Not yet. After the movie, we are going to go to a cafe. We are going to study English there for 1 hour.
Oh no, study on Saturday. I am joking. It is a good idea.
Yes, just 1 hour. We are going to practice future tense.
We are going to talk about our future dreams.
That is a great idea. Let's imagine we are in the cafe now. What are your future dreams, David?
In the future, I am going to travel to many countries. I am going to visit Japan, Canada, and maybe Brazil.
Nice. When are you going to visit Japan?
I am going to visit Japan next year.
Good. Viewers, listen to this pattern. I am going to visit Japan next year. You can also say, I am going to visit my grandparents next month. Or, I am going to start a new job next week.
People are going to come and practice English every week.
Next year, I am going to start a small English club in my city. People are going to come and practice English every week.
That sounds amazing. Many people are going to improve their English with you.
Thank you. And one day, I will write a small English book for beginners.
You will write a book. I will buy it.
Thank you. See, here we use will again for something like a promise.
Yes, I will buy it is like a promise.
Exactly. Now, let's imagine something small goes wrong in our future day.
Okay. Maybe tomorrow I am going to meet you at 10 o'clock, but I am late
Why are you late?
because I am going to forget the time.
Maybe you will forget the time. That is possible.
I am going to call you and say sorry.
Careful there. We do not say I'm going to will call. We say I am going to call you or I will call you.
Yes, I made a mistake. So I say, I will call you and say sorry.
Yes, that is correct.
Sometimes I mix will and going to.
That is very normal. Many learners do this. Just remember, use one, not both together.
Okay. So if I decide now, I say I will call you. If I already have a plan, I say I am going to call you tomorrow at 9.
Perfect. You said it very clearly.
Thank you. I feel a little more confident now.
Now, back to our day. After we study English in the cafe, what are we going to do in the evening?
In the evening, we are going to walk in the park. We are going to talk about our week.
Yes, and maybe we are going to eat some ice cream.
I am going to eat chocolate ice cream.
I am going to eat vanilla ice cream. Then, later, we are going to go home.
So, our future Saturday is full. We are going to wake up, go to the market, eat lunch, watch a movie, study English, walk in the park, and then go home.
Exactly. Viewers, you can also plan your Saturday like this. You can say, in the morning, I am going to. In the afternoon, I am going to. In the evening, I am going to.
Yes, you can write it down in a notebook. It is good practice.
Now, I want to talk about one more thing. Sometimes we use simple present to talk about a schedule, like a train or a class.
Okay, can you give an example?
Sure. We can say, the train leaves at 6 tomorrow. Or, my English class starts at 9 on Monday. It is a fixed schedule.
So, for my online class, I can say, my class starts at 8 tomorrow.
Yes, that is correct. It is also future, but we use simple present because it is a timetable or schedule.
English is interesting. So many small points.
Yes, but you are doing well. And you, viewers, are also doing well. You are going to speak better and better.
One more question, Emma. Can I say, after 1 year, I am going to live in another city?
Almost correct. You should say, I am going to live in another city, not I am go to.
Right. I am going to live in another city. Thank you for the correction.
You are welcome. Viewers, please listen. I am going to live in another city. This is a good pattern to talk about future life changes.
Okay, so in our imaginary story, I am going to travel next year. You are going to start an English club, and we are going to have a fun Saturday together.
Yes, and we used many future sentences. Soon, we will review some useful words and phrases from this story.
Good. I am ready for the vocabulary.
We used many useful English words and phrases today. Let's review some of them.
Great. Review helps me remember.
Our first word is plan. What does plan mean, David?
A plan is an idea for the future. You decide what you are going to do. For example, you make a plan for Saturday.
Good. Example sentence. My plan for tomorrow is very simple. I am going to stay at home.
Another example, we have a plan to study English every evening.
Viewers, repeat after me. I have a plan for next week.
I have a plan for next week.
Our second phrase is going to. What does going to mean, David?
A schedule is a plan for times. It tells you when things start and finish. For example, a train schedule shows the times of the trains.
Yes. Example, my work schedule is from 9 to 5.
My class schedule is very busy on Monday.
Good. Our fifth word is tomorrow. What does tomorrow mean?
Tomorrow is the day after today. If today is Friday, tomorrow is Saturday.
Right. Example, tomorrow I am going to visit my friend.
Tomorrow, we are going to have a testament.
Viewers, repeat after me. Tomorrow is going to be a good day.
Tomorrow is going to be a good day.
Our sixth phrase is next week. David, can you explain next week?
Yes. Next week means the week after this week. If today is Wednesday, next week is the new week that starts on Monday.
Good. Example, next week I am going to start a new course.
Next week, we are going to visit my cousins.
Our seventh word is promise. What is a promise, David?
A promise is when you say you will do something and you want the other person to trust you. For example, I promise I will come on time.
Very good. Example, he promises he will call his mother every day.
I promise I will study English tonight.
Viewers, repeat after me. I promise I will practice English.
I promise I will practice English.
Our eighth word is future. David, what is the future?
The future is the time that has not come yet. Tomorrow, next week, next year, all are in the future.
Yes. Example, in the future, I am going to travel a lot.
In the future, she is going to learn 3 languages.
Our ninth word is decide. What does decide mean?
Decide means to choose something. You think, and then you say, okay, I will do this.
Good. Example, I cannot decide what to eat.
We decide to study at the cafe.
Excellent. Let's say all the words one more time together. Plan, going to, will, schedule, tomorrow, next week, promise, future, decide.
Plan, going to, will, schedule, tomorrow, next week, promise, future, decide.
Great job.
Today, we talked about how to talk about the future in English. We imagined our Saturday from morning to night. We also imagined some big future dreams.
Yes. We practiced how to talk about plans, how to make quick decisions, and how to talk about schedules. We used going to for plans, will for quick decisions and promises, and simple present for fixed schedules.
I feel more confident now. I am going to use these sentences in real life.
That is wonderful. Viewers, remember, you do not need perfect English. You just need to communicate. Every time you practice, your English becomes a little stronger.
Be proud of yourself. You are learning something new today.
Yes, be proud of yourself. You are doing something amazing. Now it is time for our question of the day.
I love this part. I am ready.
Today's question is very simple. What are you going to do next weekend?
Nice question.
You can use this pattern. Next weekend, I am going to...
I will give one example. Next weekend, I am going to visit my cousins.
Good. My example. Next weekend, I am going to clean my room and read a book.
Another example. Next weekend, I'm going to watch a movie with my family.
Viewers, now it is your turn. Please write 1 or 2 simple sentences in the comments. You can write, next weekend, I am going to.
We read your comments. They help us make better videos for you.
Before we say goodbye, please like this video, subscribe to MSV English channel, click the bell icon, and share this video with your friends who are learning English.
We post new conversations every week. Small, regular practice makes your English strong.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us today. Keep practicing and keep being curious. We believe in you. See you in the next video.
Goodbye, everyone. Keep learning and keep smiling. Bye, Emma.
Bye, David. Bye, everyone. Take care.